How to uninstall Anaconda completely with internal softwares and tools, Jupyter Notebook and Spider IDE. Uninstall in your PC and laptop. Step by step explain. Windows search box lo control panel enter. First option control panel click. Programs and features click. Anaconda 3 2025 application select, mouse right click, uninstall click. Welcome to Anaconda. Uninstall window lo first button next click. Uninstall Anaconda 3 installation path. Local disk C users PC Anaconda 3 folder. Second button next click. First button yes click. Advanced uninstallation options. All options tick mark set. Mouse left click and left click and left click. Second button uninstall click. Uninstalling process start. Removing files and folders. Wait and here few minutes. Uninstall was completed successfully. Display. Second button next click. Finish button click. Control panel close. Desktop file explorer document open. Left side this PC option click. First one new volume C select open. Users folder select open. First one folder PC system username folder open. First one Anaconda folder select. Mouse right click, delete click. Next Spider folder select, delete icon click. Next folder select delete. IPY Python select, delete key press. Next IPYNB folder select, delete key press. Next folder continue, delete key press. Folder close. Keyboard shortcut key Windows R key press. Run command open. Search box lo percentage app data percentage enter. First button OK click. First one folder Anaconda select, delete icon click. Next Jupyter folder select, delete key press. Folder close.